Alright, y'all, here we go, baby. Let's see what we can do here, huh? Let's touch off. We got the stop we made in place. Let's throw 3 of them on it real quick. Just see what it does with 3. We put a little oil on there so she ain't cutting so dry. Right? Put a little oil on there. I thought I hooked something up. You know what? It's it. Oh no, it's in there. Never mind. Oh yeah, she's cutting good. She don't like that though. That high-speed steel don't like that. Don't fight it now. Just go with it, baby. Come on. Come on. That's there. Come on. They should lose it, boys. Losing that cutting edge on this side. Yeah. She can handle that 1s and 2s, but yeah, that's about it. Coming down to the end. Come on, baby, don't stop. Ah. We'll walk it out. Come on. We got you. Alright, let's do this. We'll take this high-speed steel out. Brush that off. Try to keep tools brushed off. Try to. Now, we're going to go back to some high-speed steel. Touch off. Come out of it. Wait, let's see what she does with 5 on it. I got 5 on it. Ooh. I got 5 on it. Hey, look at that. Looking good over there, huh? Looking good over there. I say. Hey, baby, baby, hey, baby. And we'll cut it off like right in there because we don't want it to hit that wall too hard because that wall is what we do damage. You see that? If you're gonna let it hit that wall, you let it hit it nice and easy. Touch that right there. Good. Come back in, touch off. Just like that. Come back out of it. We're going to put on it, yeah. And then we'll just walk through like this. See that? Little tender loving here. stop is for a walk it out. I'm going to bring it back. Put another 5 wood, bring it up to it. Brush it off, a little Earl on there. Get some more Earl out on there and get up in there and walk it out, baby.
Hey guys, if you guys watched this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Smash that. And then smash that like and share button, man. Share it with somebody and put me on with some new, viewers. I could use it, and I really appreciate it. The making of this arbor kind of got me. I didn't realize that the jaws were still off, and I didn't indicate the part in like I should have. So when I put it back in to fix it, it had a weevil wobble to it. And I put it in the scrap bin, but what I didn't think about was I want to put it in the collet chuck and see if it really does have weevil wobble to it, or was it just me putting it back in the 3-jaw chuck. The new jaws and the 3-jaw chuck are amazing. Thanks for stopping by, guys. The door is always open to the shop. Pete, I just want to know how you got so good.
Hey guys, always make sure you got your safety glasses on. Don't put your face in the way to show the camera either. Give me a sec, give me a sec. Alrighty. How y'all doing out there? Welcome back to another episode of MAKEM or BREAKEM, baby. Here we go. It's your host with the most. I'm back again. You know me. They call me P. Yeah. I don't know. Try and make it catchy, baby. You dig what I'm saying? So look, here's what we're into, alright? I have now made an adapter to be able to go into the ER32 collet and chuck up into the machine, the milling machine, and we can give a nice little grind of stuff with a diamond wheel. You know, if we got to give something, I'm going to have the rotary table. We can give stuff up. Yeah, I'm telling you, this rotary table is going to be amazing. It's a rotary table and dividing head. It's going to be amazing to have this machine. That's what I thought the 3-inch was. This is going to be 4-inch. So it'll fit my chucks also. But what I was going to say is that, you know, when I got the 3-inch, I got it because I was leaning more toward the watchmaker thing, and you know, I really didn't expect 3-inch to be as small, but I didn't also read it all the way to the fact that it doesn't have a dividing head with it. So now we got a dividing head coming. Thank you, Weber. Always there as always. I'm not sponsoring Weber. Weber does not sponsor me, but I buy a lot of my machine tools, a lot of machinery, and a lot of machine tools from Weber. So far, they haven't let me down. A couple things I've had to, go into and brush up a little bit, but for the most part, I mean, I've not had a problem with Weber. So, yeah, I've made this adapter thus far all the way up to here. Give me a second, I'll get you up on there to where you... Alright, y'all, there you go. A little bit better view. And what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to put a flat on it, so when we thread this nipple right here, it will, you'll have a place to put a wrench as you tighten it down. And this will go right out
onto there. We'll put a cap washer on there and then tighten that down on there. What y'all think? I think it looks very good, huh? Ain't that interesting? Yeah, I don't like that. Because that's where the washer's going to stop. I mean, the nut's going to stop. But that washer's going to come out here and bend down and hit that. If it doesn't, then it's not going to tighten on it. So, I'm going to put this flat on it. But what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to put it back up in the lathe and bring it in. And this edge is going to have to come off of here. Let me see. Let me get my little pointer here. Okay, so... see me right here? So this edge right here I put on here, it's a relief edge for when you thread, right? It's got a little dip in here, and then this steps up, and this is the shoulder that the inside the arbor, the inside of the hole sits on this. Okay, it's flat, it registers up against this and this right here, and this right here comes to the very end flush. This is an extra nipple, so when you tighten that washer, I mean that nut down here, it's going to stop right there. The face of your grinding wheel is going to be right here. So honestly speaking, that's that ass wrong. You're going to need to get rid of that shoulder, sir. Okay. Out that right on the shoulder. Very good. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to put our flats on here. We're going to leave meat on this because we want this to stay 360-degree round. But we're going to bring flats right here, which will still work with a wrench. You dokie? Okie dokie, Smokey. Now, guys, make sure you got face shields or glasses. Glasses. Alrighty. Now, let's see what we got here. Are we going to have any trouble out of this? Possibly. This end mill's getting old now. Hey guys, thanks for watching so far. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel any further, there's a Patreon up there in that corner. And you can check that out. We post things over on Patreon all the time. We have activities over there that you can, sign up for when you donate to the channel. And we're working on other things for it as well. If you have any ideas, please submit them on the comments, and that would help out greatly. I would love to. I'd rather know what you want than try to guess. Y'all have a great one. Thanks for watching. Hey, I just wanted to come on here one more time, right? No playing and none of that. And just tell 254 people that have subscribed to this channel and believed in me so far. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to a person when you believe in them. And for y'all to stand by and support me, wow. I won't let you guys down. If you watch the video, you know it's getting better and better, and I really appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great one. Enjoy this video, man. And if you haven't yet, yeah, smash it.
Everything is set. Alright, so we're going to chuck this back up in the lathe real quick, the arbor. There's the arbor right here. We're going to chuck it back up in the lathe. See what we get here. To the see what that looks like. These daggone jaws are horrible. This is one. I think this arbor is no good because these jaws, man. I really do. I think it's gonna turn. It's not turning concentric at this moment. So let's see some. I got new jaws for this chuck, right? This is 3. This is 2. And this is 1. I tried to do those jaws to see if I could redo them and they would work, and well, guess what? They're not working. So we're going to try this. Is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Let me see where my scroll is. Over here. Look. I'm out of here. Shit. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Oh my lord. Guys, let me take this off here so I can bring you closer to see this, guys. This is truly amazing. I want you to know this. I have been trying to get these chuck jaws to center for so long. I cannot get them to center. They're Chinese made chuck jaws. Look at that. They are centered, bro. They fit perfect. I mean, they clamp together perfect. Look at that. Look. Like, they meet. I don't see no gap between them at all. Like before, you seen a gap between 2 and 3, and I mean a gap. Not now. You don't.
That looks amazing. That is beautiful, man. Now, I wonder something, right? Alright, let me put y'all back over here on the stand real quick. Around looking at it. Now, back on the stand. Green clear. Alright, let's put it back in here and see what this looks like now. Well, guys, I can tell you this much. If you got bad jaws, get rid of them jaws. That's pretty. I did a nice job on that. But that thing is all the way out. Another one for the scrap floor, huh? Yeah, we ain't got a scrap bin, we got a scrap floor. Yeah. So, let's check this out now. And see how them jaws treat this.
You got more to see. Some of it. Over there. A little bit more. Let's see what that 5 does.
I should have moved the daggone camera. Duh. Trying to figure this out, y'all. Another mistake I make a lot too. I always take my piece and put it all the way up against that chuck body when I probably shouldn't do that. I should probably leave it out off of that chuck body some, so that way when it does what it does, it is what it is, right? I gotta start keeping an eye on that. Yeah, well, you gotta see me scrap apart. You know, that's why we got metal, so we can keep working on it. We're in progress here. Man, that piece looked great too, them damn jaws, man. I've tried to make them jaws correct now so many times, it's ridiculous, let me tell you something. But I'm working with little weenie stuff, because like that 100 millimeters, when you open the jaws, you have about less than the size of a quarter, like in between a quarter and a nickel, right? So I'm trying to find a tool that is rigid enough to go through there that won't while it's inside of it, you know what I mean? And that's exactly what happened with that tool. It made the jaws look nice, yeah, it rounded them off, and I listened for the typical flick, 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 you know, the three jaws. But it was, I don't know, you could see when it would come out, right? It would come out and be like, beep, 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 you know? And so that lets you know that inside there it's going, beep, 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 beep. Might be really slight. But even still, really slight means a lot, you know? So, yeah, anyway, hey, listen, I'm going to get ready to get up out of here. I figured since I was here, I'd throw a little video together. I love y'all, man. Hey, we're up above 250 now, y'all. And another thing I wanted to make a comment on, right? So, I put the 3-inch rotary table up for sale on Facebook. And I had a couple guys from the machinist buy and sell community stuff comment. I charged $125 on the site at first, right? I really didn't realize it was only $60 for it. I was estimating, and I threw it on there. Well, to let you know that whatever money I get from selling something in here, it goes toward another tool. So it's not like I was just trying to rip someone off or something like that. I made a mistake, and clearly all you had to do was, contact me and be like, hey, Pete, man, you made a mistake. Those things are only like $60-65, bro. You don't want to put that on there. Oh, man. My response would have been, oh, bro, really? No, for real?
Damn, my fault, man. Thank you for letting me know that, bro. I really appreciate that. I don't want right on Amazon or eBay where I got it off eBay. I'd type it right up on eBay, bang. Seen it, changed it, done. Thank you for the help. But instead, it's a couple of you guys off of the little community thing, that machinist community thing, which is cool. Hey, rock on, right? But instead of coming to a man who's, I'm glad I'm older and more mature and know how to handle situations, right? But a young man who's just coming out of schooling and all that, you'll alienate Shorty, man, and he won't want nothing else to do with this. Don't do that. All you had to do was contact me. You didn't have to do that little girl stuff y'all did on there. Oh, it only costs this, and run your mouth. Stop being keyboard gangsters, bro. Be productive. Don't be counterproductive. What you did was counterproductive. All you had to do was let me know what the mistake was. I'd have fixed it. Believe me, y'all make a lot of mistakes on there and act like don't nobody know where y'all got it. Like we don't know what AliExpress is or Banggood is, or we don't know what those things are. So when you sell them, you try to sell them at an astronomical rate. I'm just saying. God bless each and every one of us. Right? God knows the true intention of our heart. And as my viewers, I'm sure you guys, you know me. I have no problem with admitting I made a mistake. And I have no problem with apologizing for my mistake. Don't try to, destroy my character. Check your own. Don't worry about mine. Mine's good. Mine's bulletproof. Check yours. Hey, man. Don't allow the character assassins to get to you. Do what you're supposed to do and stay on the right path. And by the way, hit that subscribe button. And hit the bell icon so you can check out the next episode of Agnes Fabrication. Or MAKEM and BREAKEM, baby. Agnes Fabrication and some. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all been great. Y'all are always great, man. We are above 250. I don't know where we're at right now. Last I looked, it was 253 or 254. Love y'all, baby. Stay smooth.